Hi guys, good afternoon. Today it's resin time. I'm following a couple of resin artists and they are insane. What they are creating, I love it so much. So if I ever want to come near their level, I need to start working more with resin. So I'm using Elegam Mastercast. I also have a link for you and a discount code in the description. They're very affordable and very good product, so check it out. I'm gonna do some small landscapes, beaches, and gonna frame them in a wooden shadow box, so the sides I won't bother. I can't wait to start working with resin again, so let's go. Okay, I have my colors mixed and I'm ready to pour some resin on the canvas. I'm using here 8 by 8 inches. And why am I choosing a canvas instead of a panel? Because panel is way more easy because it's hard and leveled. But I really want to use the shadow boxes around this. So then I think it's beautiful on canvas. This is, by the way, the powder blue that I also used in my Vibrant Black series, the last video. Yeah, this is gonna be the sunset side, so this is magenta. I just mixed this with acrylic paint. Some on the top, and here we go with the salmon color. Yeah, I have some favorite colors again, and it's changing like every month, but this color is a big favorite of mine right now. Because it's so soft and vibrant, yeah. Just a bit of yellow to give it some more depth. Well, that wasn't a lot. Some more. And the yellow is transparent, so probably it will sink in there. There's more than enough resin already on the canvas to cover it. Some white for the contrast. And on top I love that. A bit more on the ocean side. Of course, to create some lacing. But yeah, this is gonna be a canvas and I think I will do more layers on here. So this is gonna be the first layer. Because I see the other resin artists create way more layers, so I'm gonna do that. Alright. Heat it up. So I'm heating now the resin. So the air bubbles will pop as well, but also I can move it. So you see it here. And just blending it a bit. And moving it to the sides, but resin will level, so it will already... Oh, you see those cells in the middle? That's beautiful. But I know, yeah, I'm gonna take them away. I'm also playing here around, guys. It's for me a learning process. Just more there. Cover it up nicely. White. You have about 30-40 minutes to work with resin. So you have a lot of time, especially when you're working on a small canvas. But that's why it's important to work in layers. Alright. Some more there. Yellow. More yellow. More yellow. Yeah, it's on there. Okay, heating it up again. And moving it around. Yeah, it's so much fun to do this, by the way. Really, if you're already, if you're pouring a lot, then this is a really nice break. Oh yeah, here I wanted to create a bigger wave. So here we go. You see in the corner those pink cells popping up. It's beautiful. And some yellow as well on the side. Oh, but they're gone now. I'm starting to really like this. This is a beautiful background to go over. Here you go, first layer down. I love how shiny the resin is, and yeah, I really do like this composition. It's perfect for the first layer, and let's see what the next layer will create. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.